Hello, mathematicians. I'm back with some more distributive property for you to see some more examples. I would encourage you to pause the video right now, write these 4 problems down, try them on your own, and then see if you are correct. All right, so we're going to distribute this through. So negative 4 times 4 would be negative 16. Negative 4 times 7n would be a negative 28m. 16 and 28m are not like terms. We cannot combine them together. That is our final answer. Number 2, negative 10 times v would be negative 10v, and negative 10 times negative 1 would be a positive 10. So if I've said it once, I've said it a million times. Subtraction signs and negative signs are essentially the same thing. They represent the same thing in the mathematical world. So if you have a subtraction sign in front of a number, that's as good as having a negative sign in front of a number. Number 3, we're going to take 8 times 7a, which would be 56a, and 8 times negative 6, which would be negative 48. 56a and 48 are not like terms, so we cannot combine them together. Number 4, take negative 9 times 8, which would be negative 72, and negative 9 times 6r, negative 6r would be positive 54r. And 72 and 54r are unlike terms, so we cannot combine them together, so that would be our final answer. Number 5. Notice that this 5 is not being multiplied to anything, so it's still 5, but this negative 2 is what's being multiplied. So negative 2 times 1 would be negative 2, and negative 2 times negative 8m would be positive 16m. 5 and 2 are like terms, so we're going to combine those together. 5 minus 2 would be 3 plus 16m. 3 and 16m are not like terms, so we cannot combine them together, so that is our final answer. Number 6. 5 is being multiplied to the parentheses, so we're going to take 5 times 1, which is 5. 5 times negative 5p would be negative 25p. And this negative 2p is not being multiplied to anything. 25p and 2p are like terms, so we can combine them together. So we have negative 25p minus 2p would be negative 27p, and that would be our final answer. Last ones. Notice I'm not showing as much work as I did in the first video. That's because once you understand the process, you can eliminate that showing of the multiplication step, and then it goes a lot quicker. This video is like half the length of the first one, maybe even more than half. All right, negative 6x is not being multiplied to anything, so negative 6x just hangs out, but 9 is. So we're going to take 9 times 9x, which would be positive 81x, and 9 times 4 would be a positive 36. Negative 6x and 81x are like terms, so we're going to combine them together. So negative 6x plus 81x would be 75x plus 36. And we cannot combine them together through addition or subtraction, so that is our final answer. All right, we're going to take our 7x and multiply it through. 7x times 5 would be 35x. 7x plus, or times 7x would be a positive 49x squared, and that minus 2x is hanging out. 35x and negative 2x are like terms, so we can combine them together. So 35x minus 2x would be 33x plus 49x squared. X and x squared are not like terms, so we cannot combine them together, so that is our final answer. I know this video was quick. I hope you paused it at some point and tried something before I did. If you watched this video, drop one of the animal emojis in the chat. Thank you. Happy mathing.